if we can get her fixed up today. It's so sad. So, anyone else utterly despise not working on cars, but just getting the car ready to be worked on? Like, there's a few things that are probably my biggest pet peeves when working on cars. One is taking off and putting on the wheels. Don't know why. I just guess I've done it so many times that it utterly annoys me. The next thing, and I know I'm so blessed to have a lift. It is absolutely amazing, and it makes my life so much easier. But putting this car on the lift, or putting any car on the lift, is so annoying. And then the next thing is finding the tools, which I know that comes with the organization, but most of the time I don't have time to put things up the way that they should be. So if I have the tools and the car's on the lift and the wheels are on, I can usually do the work pretty easily. But I guess that's half of the work. But the car's finally in the air here, finally, and I'm hoping it won't take long. I don't have any help just yet. They should be on their way, and we'll get this unit together. Let's take a look under here. UPRK member, CHE brace, stock rear end, old UPR. They're not old, they're just original, I guess. We got stock springs. Don't know how much of this y'all are seeing. UPR anti-roll bar, which is nice and dirty. I need to get under here and clean everything. Oh my gosh, it's nasty. Viking double adjustable shocks. UPR solid upper with adjustable mount, which I think I may have in the wrong position, honestly. But anyways, yep. Got some trans brake wires. Got some other things hiding around here. But that's pretty much it. Look at them units. Can y'all see how pretty those units are? I don't think. Let's see if I can see it. Yeah, you can see them. And Viking double adjustable coilovers. My one splurge of the year. And then look at this, wrapped up like a mummy. It's the Turbo 400 that hopefully is done braking. Now that, now that maybe I know what I'm doing. Oh, it's been so much fun. So much fun. Big shout out to On3 Performance. We're dealers for them, and I love this kit. I don't care. It causes some butt hurt. Everybody wants to give them crap, but I absolutely love them. It is an absolutely beautiful day, by the way. It is, see what the temperature is right now. Let's see, it was 58 whenever I left my house, or that's what it was in the shade. Right now, 70 degrees. It is so perfect outside. It is not even funny. So, yeah, it is just absolutely gorgeous. I have the Doral, or however you say it, tranny cooler. This is so, the dirt from this flood thing that we had is just where they pressure washed and tried to clean. They pressure washed it up underneath of the car, which, I mean, it happens. It's no big deal. But I'm just going to have to clean everything. Oh my gosh, I hate it. Anyways, let's try to get this transmission in here. Have some fun. So we've got to get some stuff to get this transmission done. Let's see here. Where are we at? Here we are. We'll get 3. Wait a second. Those are 429. And these, oh, there's only 2 of them. But they're 2 for $7. Non-chlorinated. Well, what's the difference? Huh, I don't know. Let's see what else we got here. of these to clean it out. Yep. Should be it. I need to get some of these for And now we're out. Big props to the local AutoZone guys, Ben, and I don't remember the other guy's name. He helped me find two lug nuts for the Zephyr. So we're halfway there on at least one of the wheels. Or no, hold on. Let me think here. I had 10. I had 10 lug nuts. Turn that down. I had 10 lug nuts for some race stars for WhiTTey, and those are the right diameter, the right thread pitch, all that. Man, I didn't realize that actually worked out perfectly. So the 10 plus 2 is 12 divided by 4. Oh, my math is so bad. I have enough for 3 wheels now, not 4. So, or I could put 3 lug nuts on each wheel. Okay, thank you, Sing. Thank you so much. 911 assist is set to off. I could put 3 lug nuts on each wheel, and that will at least work. I can get them on if I can ever get the other wheels off. So I need 4 more lug nuts. I need 4 more shank style lug nuts. And I'm doing Zephyr things while I'm working on WhiTTey. That tells you where my mind's at. I'm so unmotivated to get WhiTTey accomplished or get WhiTTey running. But then I see it and I'm like, I love it so much. I love that car. I don't know. I'm so unmotivated though. I don't know. Maybe something will happen. I've had all kinds of people talking to me about racing, and I'm excited to race it. I know one race in October I've got to talk the wife into, because the last time that we went around that area, we didn't fare so well. Didn't get to race at all. Completely null and void, nothing. And so when I told her about it last night, she was like, "Are you freaking kidding me?" Because I mean, we drove. Sorry about the seatbelt timer thingy. We drove 3 hours, didn't race. Drove another hour to another spot, also got busted up. And so, all in all, like, by the time we got home at like 6 o'clock or some crazy thing in the morning, yeah, it was not good. And so she's like, "Are you serious? I mean, because she's down to go racing with me now. She hasn't done it a lot, and she said that she wants to be more of a part of it, which I am super pumped about. And yeah, but this is a good ways away. I mean, like, let me think, a month and a half at least. So, and I haven't locked in until this white pile in here is ready. So let's go and see if we can get it somewhat done. Finally have some life. See if we can. That should be first. Right there's third. Quick question, is it stopped right there, or is it rolling?
Stop.
It's stopped? There's neutral. First. advanced track. No way. No way. Cancel. Okay. But it needs to get hot, so it got to get warm. So this is gonna take a minute. Oh, look at that, baby. Light was on. That was why I had to charge the battery. Hey, I had the light on the dome. That's why it had to be charged. That sucks. So we have transmission in, everything's in. We've got fluid in, and now we're trying to check that. So that's gonna be fun. And we have people coming in the shop. Fun stuff. All right. Finally. Be washed. Put some miles on it. Put some miles on it, and then we're gonna take it and put some passes on it. All right. So after failing to get this suction cup mount to work on the car, I'm just gonna hold it like this right here. As you can see, we're finally taking it to go eat, so we're working pretty good here. Feels pretty good. I mean, obviously the wide open throttle stuff is what's going to be the test, but man, I missed it. I missed it a lot. It feels so much different than Chad's car. It's unreal. I don't know if it's just the seat, but I don't know what it is. I don't think I'll ever put Kirky's in it though. How it does here. This is the first real deal test drive of it. So see how it goes. I know I'm dirty to be going out to eat it like a steakhouse. Way too dirty. Way too dirty. So we back after eating, and the car is still doing pretty good. The sky is getting really pretty tonight. But we're gonna go look at some TVs. So I don't think you can see me very well. I can see ahead of us because of the lights, but we've always got to make a stop at the local Walmart, because that's just, I mean, it's a requirement of people from West Virginia to go to Walmart. Look at that unit. Look at that unit. Golly, that is a nice unit. I'm not a big fan of lifted trucks, but that is nice. WhiTTey. Until we get it tested, WhiTTey's not back in business. But WhiTTey is pretty much back in business. Everything but the testing. We got to test it. Shouldn't be any difference other than converter maybe a little tighter now. I put a little different fluid in it. But so yeah. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna go and look at some TVs. I'm parking a little farther out here so nobody comes by with a buggy and rams it into me for no reason. So that is gonna be it for this video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. WhiTTey back in business, thankfully. Still not gonna be racing it for a little while. I'd like to test it some more, and I just don't have the motivation to go and run it, part of it. So we're going to line out some different events, going to Rod Run, hopefully, if our schedules aren't going crazy. And then we're going to see where we can run WhiTTey. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with all your friends, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching this episode with Coyote TV Motorsports. Peace out, Girl Scout.